Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect this TradeBot with your Angel One trading terminal. Connecting this trading bot and Angel Broking terminal is very easy. You need not ask help from anyone. You can do it in 2-3 steps. You can do it on your own. So now let's see how to connect this. So if you hit on brokers page, you see that your ID is already configured here, and all you have to do is just hit on this pencil icon, and you just need to provide three details. One is app ID, and second is client secret, and the third is password. Please note that client ID is already configured, so you need not enter it again. All you have to provide is app ID, secret, and password. Now password is pretty straightforward. Whatever you enter while logging into Angel One trading account, same password you have to enter here. And two other things that we need to know are app ID and client secret. So now let's see how to get these two details and fill these two fields so that the configuration is done. For you to get app ID and secret, you need to open a URL, and that URL is smartapi.angelbroking.com. Okay, so I opened this smartapi.angelbroking.com, and initially it asks you to enter email ID and password. Obviously, we don't have email ID and password because we did not create an account. First, you need to create an account in this Smart API portal. And once you have the account, it's very easy to get the app ID and secret. Okay. Now let's see how to create an account. In the top right, you have something called sign up. Hit on sign up. It will ask you a few details like email, name, password, mobile number, and Angel client ID. Of course, Angel client ID is optional. It's okay even if you don't give it. After you give all these details, just hit on I agree and hit on sign up. Uh, Remember your email ID and password that you give, because these are the credentials you need to use while logging in. Okay. And while you are setting up the password, make sure that you give one lowercase, one uppercase, and one number at least. Since I have already created an account, I'm going to log in using those credentials. So again, come to this login page and then give the email ID password and hit on submit. All right. Now, once you enter into this account, initially you will not see anything, just because I already created one app. It is showing me that entry, but otherwise you won't see anything. You have to click on create an app button. If you click on this create an app button, it will ask you for a few details. You just have to give these details and you will see your app ID and secret. Okay. Now let's see what are these fields. First is it will ask you to select which type of API do you need. There are four types. One is trading API, publisher API, historical API, and market feeds API. We only need trading API. So you can select whatever API that you want. By default, trading API is selected. So it's okay even if you don't touch this. But if you want, just select once again to be on the safe side. Now, the second thing is it will ask you to give app name. Please note that you can give any name, but my strong suggestion is to give your Angel Broking ID here. In this case, this is our ID. So let me give the ID here. Now, the second and the most important thing here is redirect URL. This is very important. Only if you give correct redirect URL, your trading bot will work and it will be configured with Angel One account. Okay, so please pay attention. The URL that you have to give here is 127.0.0.1. I know that clients might make some mistake. So what I'm going to do is, once after this video is recorded, I'm going to put the recording and the redirect URL here, just like I have posted for LS Blue. Even for LS Blue, I have given LS Blue redirect URL, right? So likewise, I will also be giving one for Angel Broking here. It's 127.0.0.1. All right. And postback URL, you can leave it empty. You don't need to put any postback URL. And then it asks for Angel client ID. Again, copy the ID and paste it here. Now, please understand that I have not given postback URL. You still see some URL, but I have not given this URL. Basically, it is a blank field only. You are just seeing some cache data there, so don't worry. Once after you give app name, redirect URL, and Angel client ID, all you have to do is just hit on create app. Now it will say success. Hit on OK, and now you can see the app credentials that you have just created. All right, you have app key and then secret key. These two are the most important things. These two are the ones that we need to copy and paste it in our trading bot. First, copy this API key. You just have to copy and go to our trading bot, hit on action button, and then paste it here. Please make sure that we do not have any spaces. I generally see people giving spaces before or after. So while pasting, please ensure that we don't have any spaces in the beginning or at the end. Likewise, come back to this Smart API portal, copy secret key as well, and paste it under client secret section. Okay. So once you copy paste these two things, and of course you also have to give the password. Let me give the password. And once after you provide all these three details and hit on update, then you should see a message called broker connection successful. Please hit on refresh button to get the latest status. Okay. Sometimes it will be auto connected, as you see here. Earlier it was not connected and now it's changed to connected, right? The status changed from not connected to connected. In case if this is not changed, you have to hit on the refresh button. Sometimes it takes time for the status to get refreshed, so you can hit on the refresh button. Even after hitting on refresh, if it is still showing not connected, wait for a few minutes and then hit on this connect button. Even after that, if you are not able to get the status as connected, please contact us. We will see what is the issue and we will try to help you. So that's all we have in this video. I hope this is very easy, and in case if you get stuck somewhere, we are always available. You can reach out to us. Thank you.